He was trying to do it to me. Come here, boy. Come on, do it. Look.
This dog nasty.
I'm licking my balls.
Ow.
Say jiggly, jiggly, jiggly.
No, that's the ball. His ball sensitive, girl.
Oh, look, his ball coming.
Don't do that.
Oh, look. No, you see right here? What the hell? Oh, my God, his ball came out. That's not his ball's right there. So what the hell, my God? I think that's the cup. But, but look at his face.
You doing it to a dog.
I ain't doing it to no dog. Oh, that's the longest to the same thing but now.
Oh, he likes that.
I want to see all that shit out. You do? Because look, right there.
And it'd be
He
real
should.
hard.
Feel it. I want to feel it.
No, I want to feel that. No, why you got? It looks like that could just come out. Why you got two sets of balls?
It's not too. I think it's on come.
I hope you wash your hands after that.
Yeah. I'm like,
Ew, why is it? Oh my God, that looks like the tip.
it is.
Oh God.
And I just when it touches your skin, it just like this.
Now you don't push it back. What are you doing? You might be hurting him.
So what? Why is it red at the tip?
This whole thing like a real pig.
You see it, right?
It's jumping. It's work too.
Look, you trying to do it to me, huh? Look at that jump coming out more. Look. Watch it.
Why is it red?
I don't know. Look. That's the thing of the dog ding ding.
And it got veins. Ew.
Look at his balls. Look at his balls. My dog got some big balls. Who wanna lick them?
I'm pressing in.
You know, you're used to this, you gotta be